Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Kids Education. This is my first experience on YouTube and I will provide the education from the core of my heart. Actually my channel is related to the contents of KG class. Here you will find lots of study material related to the rhymes, stories, alphabets, countings as well as morning assembly schedule related to the KG class. First of all, I will start with the morning assembly. How we can conduct morning assembly in kindergarten school. Here you will find. Let's start with me. First of all, in morning assembly, students will do standees, attention. Standees, attention. Then they will start with morning assembly with the prayer. Let's start with the prayer. First of all, we will thank God for everything. Start with prayer. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. God's love is so high. God's love is so high. You can't get over it. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. It's so deep. You can't get under it. It's so deep. You can't get under it. God's love is so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love is so wide. God's love is so wide. You can't get around it. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. Thank you, God. This is the prayer for morning assembly. And after that, kids will do standees, attention. Standees, attention. Now we will do good habits. It's very necessary to do good habits in morning assembly. So start with good habits. Start with me. Okay, kids, start. Wash, wash, wash your face. Wash it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, wash it every day. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brush it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, brush it every day. Drink, drink, drink your milk. Drink it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, drink it every day. Eat, eat, eat your food. Eat it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, eat it every day. Okay, kids, now it's time to standees. Attention, standees, attention. Now we will do some activities for kids so they can enjoy a lot. Okay, now start with me. Clap, clap, clap. Tap, tap, tap. Jump, jump, jump. Roll, roll, roll. Wave, wave, wave. Fly, fly, fly. Cry, cry, cry. Smile, smile, smile. Smile, smile, smile. Turn around. Touch the ground. Polish your shoes. Off to school. Bye bye mama. Bye bye papa. Love you. Okay. This in this way you can conduct the morning assembly. In last you can also sing national anthem if you want to sing. Okay. In last we can also sing national anthem. Hope you will enjoy the way I conduct morning assembly. You can also conduct morning assembly in this way. Hope you will enjoy my video. If you like my video, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.